Hi, welcome. It's a lovely day. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some brown stew chicken with green banana and Irish potato. So stay tuned. Let's get started by washing the chicken. I'm going to be using some vinegar alongside with a slice of orange. I'm going to be running it under some rinsing water and wash it thoroughly. Then I'm going to drain off the excess water and pat dry it to be seasoned. These are my ingredients that I'm going to be using. Alongside these are the Irish potato and the green banana. So I'm going to be using some Maggi chicken seasoning. Next up, I'm adding some garlic powder. Now I'm adding some black pepper. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. Soy sauce. Just a little bit of browning. If you are not able to access that, you can omit that and just use a little bit more of the soy sauce and add some brown sugar to the hot oil when you're gonna fry the chicken. Now I'm adding some carrots, some tomatoes, onion, scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and bell pepper. Now after I've added all that, I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together and allow the chicken to marinate. Now, after the oil has been hot, I'm going to be placing a piece of garlic to the pot, and then I'm going to be adding my marinated chicken to the hot oil. I'm just gonna give that a stir, and then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to simmer down. After a few minutes, we're just gonna check on it and give it another stir. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to this. Give it another stir. And by then, the gravy should be reduced a bit, so I'm adding a little bit of water to this. Give it another stir, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer down just a little bit more. So my banana and Irish potato is boiling in the pot. Now I'm going to add some ketchup to the brown stew chicken because it's almost ready. So when it's near to the end, that's where you would add the ketchup. Then you're just gonna stir it and just allow it to simmer just a little bit more, and then the brown stew chicken would be ready. Thank you for watching again. Remember to give my video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment. Bye.